If you think that Rio de Janeiro is just about price redeemer, beaches, carnival and soccer, I would say, yes, you are right, but you need to go deeper into these adventures. My name is Kelly Tavares and I'm a tour guide here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. My background is in visual arts and education, and I'm also a professional guide here in Rio de Janeiro, qualified to take you to different places in town. Rio de Janeiro, it's such a big city. There are so many things going on, and it's a very dynamic and diverse city as well. So what are you waiting for? Come with me, come on this virtual trip, book tours with me, and you'll find out a variety of other things and tips of amazing destinations, experiences, and tours that you can actually take in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Join me today on Amphy.